Dear Diary, today is Friday, June 17th, 2022. I worked all day today, rushed home to attend my sister's first solo art show. It was good times, but I was missing my babies. So I decided to spy on them while we were having dinner.
Where is Hooman? I'm sure she'll be back soon, Bam Bam. It's not like her to be gone this long. At least she came home and fed us dinner.
Bam Bam!
Hooman!
Hi, Bammy.
I hear you, but I don't see you. Where are you?
Hi, Bam Bam.
Are you in there?
I'm missing
Hooman?
Bam Bam.
Mama! I hear Hooman, but I don't see her. Where is she? Stop being so needy. Hooman will be home soon. But I'm worried. This is not like her to stay out this long and leave us alone here. What if she doesn't come back? I'm worried. I don't want to starve, Mama. We're not gonna starve, Bam Bam. Well, I hope she's out hunting for food. She probably is, so don't worry. Okay. I'm sure she'll give us treats when she gets home. I hope so.
Hey, Bam Bam.
Why do I keep hearing her voice, Mama?
Oh, Bam Bam.
What?
Hi, cutie pie.
Seriously, why do you keep calling my name? You have a treat for me, huh? I know you have some treats.
Oh, are you giving me kisses, Bam Bam?
Kisses? No, I'm not giving you kisses. I want treats. I know you have some in there. Give me treats. Come on. What are you doing, Bam Bam? Nothing.
Oh, look at you, Bam Bam. You're so cute.
I already know that. She got her looks from me. What's wrong, Mama? Why are you limping? My paw got caught in the shirt. Do you need help? I'll be fine. I'm just gonna lay down and wait for Hooman. I'm hungry. You always are hungry, Bam Bam. Well, I hope Hooman brings home something good to eat. I'm gonna get up and walk around a little. Maybe I can see her coming home from the window. It's raining again. Hey! What? Where is Miss Molly? I'm up here. Wanna do some nip before Hooman gets home? Sure.